In this 4-month full stack web development course, we are going to learn various amazing things. But what's the most important? Firstly, you will have one-to-one interaction with our mentors and teachers. Second, hand-on experience on various amazing projects. Third, getting your portfolio ready so you can apply for any job. But firstly, let me cover some of the important topics that we are going to cover in this 4-month full stack web development course. In front-end section, we will be learning HTML, CSS and JavaScript. JavaScript is the most popular language according to the survey of Stack Overflow 2021. Also, we will be learning some of the important libraries of JavaScript such as jQuery and React. In backend section, we will be covering Node.js and Express.js. Express.js is a popular framework for Node.js. Also, we will be learning database management systems such as MongoDB and MySQL. At the end of the course, we will be working on some of the amazing projects such as Zomato, Uber and Amazon. I think you are interested and curious about learning web development. So enroll yourself in the course and join me in the course.